Hi everyone. I'd like to welcome you to Statistics for Healthcare Professionals, HLT 362V. This is the screen basically that you will see. This is my screen, so yours will be slightly different, with a calendar, a list of announcements, and just want to call your attention to some of the things that you may not be familiar with in this particular course that I have added. The faculty resources are over here under class course material. And all of those that Grand Canyon University has provided are here. Now, if you have current, in this case, since the class has not started yet, you don't see anything. When I click on all, I see and I can change from weeks. There's a lecture, the link to the textbook, the link to the exercise and the textbook. This is the assignment. One of the assignments. The Excel tutorial. I would strongly suggest that you do this tutorial because it tells you how to download the analysis tools for Excel or the Stat Plus if you're using a Mac. And then goes on to a whole bunch of other different things here. But this is where you're going to find all of the Grand Canyon University resources. Okay? The syllabus for the course is listed here, your link to the library, tutoring services, etc. Under the Connect, under the class wall, please start by saying hi. I put a welcome note in here, and add your comments and say hello to the rest of your fellow students. Under announcements, again, under current, you may not see all the announcements, but you click on all, you will see them. Please make sure you especially look at frequently asked questions and class policy. Those are very, very important, and you need to understand how to navigate this course and my requirements as well. Under tasks, under form, a very important area that I want you to be sure to take a look at is questions to instructor form. In here, every week, I will put a set of resources. These are my resources, not Grand Canyon's resources. What I found has helped students in the past. There'll be a study sheet that will walk you through. It'll also tell you which of the resources in the class resources are better than others that you should start with. If you want to go on and learn some more material, that's great. But these will be the things that you really want to take a look at. In the Excel assignment, here I have attached a rubric as to what I expect for full credit for the Excel assignment. And here you will find two videos as well. One on how to do the descriptive statistics for the first part of the question, and the other part of the question is how to create a bar graph in Excel, which most people usually have questions on. These are specific to our assignment, not generalized, so you may want to look at these before you start looking at other resources. Here's the workbook assignment. Under the workbook assignment, you will find that I have added a template. Okay, I've added a template. The template does not include any of the questions as word text, but rather as pictures or objects, so that when you turn it into TII, they're not going to be counted as extra, all those as your repeats and percentages similarities. So keep that in mind. Be sure to use the template when you answer the workbook questions. The other form that's very important here is your individual form. Right now there's nothing in there, but when class starts, you will find in your individual form a welcome to the individual form and a little comment and about the class and things personally. So please be sure you check in there and check in with me and let me know if anything's going on, if anything we need to discuss or things like that. And this is where you will also post personal messages to me if you need to discuss something individually with me. The regular form, the main form, has all the topics for the week. We start with discussion question 1 and discussion question 2. There is a prayer form, and there is a required checklist. Please make sure you look through that and make sure that you understand all of the pieces. If you do this right at the beginning of the class, you'll find the rest of it goes much more smoothly for you. Okay? So under the first discussion question, There is how to write a response to the discussion question. I've gone through some samples. I hope you find helpful and guidance in terms of what you need to do to get started with the discussion question. Thank you very much. I look forward to the next 5 weeks working with you. Take care. Have a blessed day.